Hi, I'm Bobby and I'm from the Rusty Nuts Car Club. Please enjoy the next video from the U.S. Classic Muscle Cars.
Pollock. We live in Oswego. It's our 64 Fairlane. We've had it about 4 years now. We got it, it was painted black. We had the Brush Masters. They painted it at the World of Wheels 4 years ago. They did a great job, as you can see. It's got a 460 in it with a C6. Got a Ford 9-inch. Not really a street car at all, so we got a trailer in here and there, which is challenging sometimes.
Sure. So how many quarter miles have you done in your life?
Since it's been done, like painted, we haven't taken it down to strip at all.
Oh, really?
Yeah, with COVID, this and that. We're hoping this summer to hit it. The guy that originally built it was built in Michigan in the late 90s, and the gentleman that built it worked for Ford, actually, in Detroit. And he built it, and it does 10s pretty much all day long. And it's got a lot of stickers on here from Norwalk Raceway, a lot of Michigan
stuff, right?
Michigan drag strips, and then it was parked for quite a while.
What are the size of the tires here?
Those are 14.5 by 31s.
And I see that they're screwed in
a little bit,
and they're screwed in for all that horsepower.
Oh yeah, we updated. It had a lot of things from the 90s. We updated the, it had the Oberoso water pump, all that kind of stuff. So it had an old Excel ignition. We updated everything. MSD box, and a lot of stuff that needed to be done from the 90s.
Right.
It's a fun one. It's typically the loudest thing at most car shows.
Sure.
Yeah, it moves pretty good. Me and my sons, we made the door skins here.
Can we see the? Oh, okay.
They're kind of fancy.
Right. Can we see the engine?
Sure. Hey, Sean.
All right, so tell the viewers what we're looking at here.
It's a pretty basic, not the cleanest thing, but it's 13-to-1. We're estimating it's probably 750 horse. And it's a fun one.
Yeah, I bet.
We want to update the front end a little bit. It's got the old style front end on there, but it's all tube in the front.
Sure.
It had, I think it had the real old radiator when we first got it, so we put the electric on there, we put the different Moroso water pump, and changed all the gaskets on the heads and the valve covers because it was set for a while, but it's got the aluminum performer heads on there, so it does a good job.
Neat. Do you have anyone to thank, or do you belong to a car club?
No, I'd say the biggest is probably the Chicago Brush Masters that painted it.
Okay.
We do quite a few shows with them throughout the years, and just this display.
Right.
They do great work.
Sure. Have you seen the Tesla Plaid to a quarter mile?
Excuse me?
Have you seen the Tesla Plaid to the quarter mile?
No.
It's 9.3 quarter mile.
Isn't that crazy? All that horsepower and a couple electric motors.
Right.
Dust you.
The newbies.
Yeah.
The newbies.
Thanks for watching.
There you go.
I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe.